Walang ayaw mo kalaro ko. Nagbago na.
Oras na lang, alis na ako.
Saan ka ba? Aray.
Yung mga, parang school, yung museum tour.
I gotcha.
Missing isn't my style.
Dalawang walis na mo, magwawalis ako.
Kumukulit, oh.
Another one bites the dust.
Kumukulit, oh.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Hey.
Reloading. Always good habit.
Oo. Palit tayo, BSS, oh.
Saan ba? Saan pa ka
Bigyan mo Uzi.
Reloading. Hold up.
Vertical cooldown device here. Level 3.
Pare, kabaro ka na dun pare. Tara.
Open fire.
Isaw-saw pare, isaw-saw.
Speed reload coming up. Target hit. Nicely done.
Enemy hit. Enemy kill.
Reloading. Direct ace, huh? It's a wonder these weaklings even have a squad.
Yan na, may bumaba.
You
Walang
dare
buhay.
attack me?
Direct
You'll
hit.
regret
Keep it
this.
up.
Walang buhay.
Safe zone will retract in
Not
30
bad for a
seconds.
bunch of failures.
Siguro pangalan mo Darkness.
Mindset to.
on tour pare.
Mga mindset na ano.
There's a horizontal cooldown
Yung
device
yung
here.
ano ba,
May magi dito.
Three.
Sino ba ito kasama ko?
Bahagari ba yun?
A grip, level 4. Over here.
May wagang ano ba yun? Bahagari.
Ace, huh? It's a wonder these weaklings even have a squad.
Ay, syempre.
Damay pare.
Kuya Enzo yan eh. Kuya Enzo yan pare. Hindi niya ba alam.
Damay na ko, may pare.
Direct
Quadra kill.
Ito ba galing?
Reloading.
Mga yun, ah.
Loading. Here. Level 2.
Supply ship en route.
Reloading. Gotta keep up the firepower. Time to fly.
Direct hit. Keep it up. Reloading. Always good habit. An absolute win. Thanks to technology.
Start delivering airdrop.
EMP activated. Missing isn't my style. Reloading. Hold up.
Airdrop arrived.
Ay putang ina, busog eh.
You are now the
Never
Reaper.
seen someone that weak before.
Mega kill.
If you dare.
Dominating.
Naubos na siya.
I suppose rescuing allies is important.
Wag na boss, wag na boss.
Uy, lumuluha. Lumuluha ang kandila.
Shield is ready to go.
Scam ka niyan.
Wala pa akong nakikita kahit isa.
Sa likod. Ito na. Ito yung
Enemy hit.
patay na yung pare.
Only tech brings glory. Enhance.
I
Ay,
never
sinugod
miss.
yun. Galing nyo.
Drones, heal them. Time to fly. Reloading.
Enemy kill.
Pare, ubos pare.
Survival bonus.
Direct hit.
Respawners disabled.
Ace, huh? It's a wonder these weaklings even have a squad.
Found a magazine. Level 5.
A new Reaper has
Down
arrived.
lang yung mga yun.
There's a magazine here. Level 3. There's a 4x scope here.
Ito na.
Level 2.
Ito na, aeroplano.
Ambush.
Aray ko, gago.
Restoring shield.
Lightning's target hit.
Keep it
Nicely
up.
done.
Pare.
Another one.
Uy,
Ito na.
nakuha yung
Ito na, papunta na.
Yes, pare.
Supply ship en route.
Using medkit.
Healing pare. Likod, likod.
I'm hit.
Missing. I've never seen someone that weak before.
Help here.
I'm under
Even
attack.
though I'm
Stay
gone.
alert.
EMP activated.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Walang boss.
Another small step.
Healing.
Start delivering airdrop.
Okay, cover po kayo.
Reloading. Reloading.
Dito na yung sila na yun.
Safe zone will retract in 30
I'm hit.
seconds.
What's happening?
Go fly.
Super na low.
Aced, huh? It's a wonder these weaklings even have a squad. Using medkit. I'm concentrating.
Patay ako pare, isa na lang to.
Don't cry. My spirit shall still guide you.
Isa na lang yung buhay yan.
Lightning speed reload. Come back in the top.
Survival bonus.
Wait lang.
Target hit. Use that last. I know
Lasit,
there
lasit.
are others of poor underground critters.
Ay,
Even the ones I
eh pa.
Reloading. Hold up.
Enjoy pare.
Open fire.
Pare, last na yan pare.
Tuntukan pare.
Using medkit.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Heal boss. Heal boss. Heal. Ayun na.
Save me.
Meron.
Anyari.
Buhay sila.
Malayo, malayo. Okay lang yan.
Nandito na nga sila eh.
Supply ship en route.
Ayun na.
I owe you one.
Ha? Tinamaan pa rin ako doon?
Kaliwa mo po. Heal muna, baba.
Restoring.
There's a 2x smoke here. Level 2.
Delivery.
Kaya heal yan, boss.
Cover lang kaya Karsa.
Loading. Gotta keep up the firepower.
Start delivering airdrops.
Naka-inb. Ayan o.
Safe
May ikot
zone
pa right
will
side, pa right
retract
side.
in 30
Shield level
seconds.
6.
Airdrop
EMP
arrived.
activated. A horizontal cooldown device, level 5. I marked it for you.
Inyo ko na lang.
Target hit.
There's a growth XP here.
Failures.
Para so pa konti.
Maggie.
Meron sa likod.
Ay, down.
Meron sa likod.
Here.
Yun. Meron pa pala sa likod. Walang iya.
Scout ahead over here.
Ang likod.
Kung saan tayo galing?
I'm under attack.
Atrad.
My cats will never even know I'm gone. Aw, it wasn't
Yan na.
done yet.
Nakatago ako dyan. Kaso hindi ko alam kung ilan dyan.
Oo, malapit na boss. Dalawa. Pang gago, piso.
Walang makita.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Delay yung ano.
EMP
putik.
activated.
Punit. Revive.
Restoring shield.
Kuha ng...
Ay, huli. Ay! Sus, nag-usip.
May nakakotse.
Using medkit. I'm concentrating.
Mahilig mag-revive yung mag.
Ay, may kalaban sila.
Ah, may kalaban sila.
Huli ka lang.
This isn't my style.
Boss. Bow yan. Magpapatayan sila, boss.
Reload it. Don't rush
Isa pa,
me.
boss. Reload. Isa pa, boss. Piso. Piso, boss. 1v1, 1v1. Isa pa, boss. Sa likod mo.
Restoring shield.
1v1, pare.
Antay mo na yung ult mo, antay mo na yung ult mo.
Using med kit.
Kaya,
Restoring shield.
uy!
Uy,
EMP activated.
Sumobra pare.
dito siya sa taas.
Oo nga.
Sa taas siya.
Pwede kayo
Ultihan mo kaya
magsubong.
jump. Ay, yung ano mo, tactical mo.
Subong. High ground ka. Kita mo yung ulo niyan eh.
Naka-NB ata siya. Ay, hindi.
Ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o. Uy,
Wish.
pang.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Nag-imbi. Uy,
Direct hit.
wala, wala. Panis.
Funny.
There's only one rule for passwords. My rule.